The Sealey MBC range of compact 6 or 12 volt 2 and 4 bank auto maintenance chargers are perfect for automotive, motorcycle and marine workshops. Supplied with SAE quick connectors on leads and battery terminal eyelets, they're compatible with all AGM, gel and VRLA flooded batteries. The MBC250 model is a 2-bank charger outputting 2 times 5 amps, and the MBC420 model is a 4-bank charger outputting 4 times 2 amps, depending on the condition of each battery. The chargers react continuously to the battery condition, with constantly regulated voltage patterns allowing the battery to be recharged fully and safely, without fear of overcharging. The Sealey range of MBC auto maintenance chargers. More excellent additions to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.